being a HSE specification, of course, it's your higher end vehicle. Starting at the front being a Dynamic, you've got the sporty looking aesthetic, aggressive stance in that Range Rover Sport bumper, LED headlights and the Atlas Grey Range Rover badging that also follows from the grille and the bumper. Coming to the side profile, possibly the biggest selling point, if not one of the biggest selling points, then 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Being Dynamic as well, you've also got that gloss black exterior contrast throughout the entirety of the exterior of the car. Power vents on the side, keyless entry being a HSE. This one does come with privacy glass as well, and of course that dual exhaust at the back. Looking into the boot, again huge boot space on Range Rover Sport. This one does also come with a very expensive option of electrically deployable tow bar, as well as suspension of its standard. So yes, that ride is that much smoother, but you can also adjust the height if you are wanting to hook a trailer up. And then coming into the interior of the vehicle, you just have a look inside. Possibly the most popular combination, ebony interior, very good selling point being a HSE as well. You do also get rear heated seats and super fast USBs to keep all passengers connected. You've got that light oyster contrasting on the door cards as well, just to make the car lighter. Jump into the vehicle in front, 24,742 miles from you, so it's a very, very low example car. Touch Pro Duo, so you've got the dual screens, heated steering wheel, cruise control, memory electric seats, upgraded sound system. Again, all the creature comforts that you'd want and expect in a car of this value. And of course the big selling point being the sliding panoramic roof. So yes, in the summer it does make the cockpit that much lighter. So again, just to reiterate, this is a Range Rover Sport, price to sell, ready to go for immediate delivery, in silicon silver with all the right options, the plan roof, the dynamic looking exterior, you've got the ebony contrasted leather and